Arion Vulgaris. Earlier the name Arion Lusitanicus mobile, 1868 was mistakenly applied based on a misidentification, and then the name Arion Lusitanicus oct. Non-mobile once the mistake was recognized. The species is an air-breathing land slug, a terrestrial pulmonate gastropod mollusk in the family Arionidae, the roundback slugs. It is a large, conspicuous slug, which has spread across much of Europe since the 1950s and now reached North America. It may attain high densities and be a serious horticultural and agricultural pest. The life cycle is annual, with adults appearing in summer and dying off before winter. The native distribution of Arion vulgaris is not exactly known. Genetic evidence, the higher incidence of rare alleles, suggests an origin in France or Spain, contrary to earlier genetic analyses that did not adequately sample these regions. In Britain the slug was first recorded in 1954, which is not an indication of it being native there. It is presumed that the specimen illustrated in Mauquintandon's original 1855 description was from France. This species has not yet become established in the USA, but it is considered to represent a potentially serious threat as a pest, an invasive species which could negatively affect agriculture, natural ecosystems, human health or commerce. Therefore, it has been suggested that this species be given top national quarantine significance in the USA. British authorities were also concerned as of 2014 that it may become a major pest. The size of the adult slug is 60 to 140 m. The color ranges from yellow to black, but is most commonly brick red, dirty orange, or brown. The tentacles are darker. Adult A. vulgaris may not differ in external appearance from Arion rufus, and so reliable identification requires dissection to examine the genitalia. In contrast, the juveniles of these species can be distinguished because only A. vulgaris has longitudinal bands. However, juveniles of other large Arion species such as Arion flagellus also have longitudinal bands. Reproductive system. The atrium is small. The adjacent part of the oviduct is dilated and muscular, with the same diameter as the atrium and containing a longitudinal ligula. This distinguishes A. vulgaris from Arion ater S.L., in which the oviduct is thinner and the atrium is larger and contains the ligula. Arion flagellus also has a ligula in the dilated part of the oviduct, but the ligula does not reach as far towards the atrium as in A. vulgaris. The spermatheca is spherical, its diameter twice that of the oviduct.